CP.
Hello, 1065 here, and I have another unboxing. This is another repair unboxing, of course. This comes from Lucas, and he had sent me his 210 named Benson. Now, Lucas here is a new Aibo owner, so I pretty much gave him a pretty good, solid deal to repair his pup, and along with not repairing, a full diagnostics, as in testing and making sure everything is fine. And it's already confirmed that this poor fellow has DHS just due to the fact that he moved the head around and you do not hear any mechanical noises. Alright, let's see this.
This box from Japan.
Yep, this is the original box he got in. Let's see. This is a really flimsy box. Let's really hope he's alright. There's the dog. Right. I'll just snip this one. The tape should.
It looks packed pretty well.
Yes. Good to tape on it, so that's good. It's like a burrito.
Aibo burrito.
Yep.
That's a go-to set, I think.
I believe so, yes. There we are. Right. Seems to be packing pretty tightly. Scotch tape. A whole lot of scotch tape. Oh, shit. That's a lot of scotch tape. Probably use this for something. No, I'm kidding. You're getting flashbacks, aren't you?
Yes.
Oh, I'll never forget that. Golly, so much scotch tape. Definitely when this pupper gets sent back, gonna probably get another box for this one, so it's a little bit more secured.
Mm-hmm.
Sometimes that's from Kevin. Why do you always record yourself opening stuff? Me. Because. Huh?
I don't know.
Because of one, the first reaction to anything, even if it's not mine, loves seeing how it turns out, and also because it gives some closure to, if it's a repair, you at least have proof that how the item arrived. If it arrives broken, you will at least, can give the owner closure that, hey, you gotta go beat up the postal people because they broke your dog. You didn't take care of it.
Or just robot in general.
Yeah, or robot in general. Now after this one, I do have another unboxing I gotta do. That one's going to be coming along more soon, which is pretty excited for. Even though most people have already gotten a chance with something like this, but you know what? I would want to call this more of maybe a collaboration, maybe not so much a sponsorship. But so stay tuned for that. No, Huawei did not sponsor me or collaborate with me. I'm going to say that right now. I wish they would, but nope, don't want to. Don't want to work with someone who's actually worked on the robots for years now.
Nearly. Oh, ears into.
Yep.
The ears are. Well, are they loose? No.
This one got pushed.
Mm-hmm.
There you go. And the tail's about to come off.
Pads too, I think.
There we go. Yep, that's all paw pads. Good movement. Good. Good. Perfect. And oh wait, he sent a battery with it too. Okay, this is his battery. He didn't have to send a battery. So set this aside. Mark it to make so this is Benson's. And his has Aibo ERS-210. I think this is life.
Let me see it. Yeah, that's life.
Alright. When they're pup with life. They have a life. And of course, head.
Oh.
Yep. As expected. We'll put that battery. Here it is. Here's our personal battery. Our only 210 battery.
Yep.
Alright, let's
All
see.
4 of our 2X dogs share it.
Yes.
So we can get another battery.
Alright, let's see how
Or,
it
well, we
goes.
have batteries, we just need them all resold.
Yeah. Well, on the bright side, we have batteries. Alright. Let's remove this. Try again.
See?
Come on. You can start up. You can do it.
Sweet.
There we go.
Oh.
Come on.
That's also another pot. I mean, another, I think it's tilt also. No, it is just DHS.
No, it's all of them, baby. This is not a super core. This needs all 3 clutches,
Okay.
which was expected.
You can slightly do that at least. But I think
can,
that's
but-
tilt.
Literally, it's like galaxies. Alright, let's see. You have any form of jitters. There we go. Okay, jitter on this one back hip.
Was it the hip or the knee?
It was like the, this portion.
Also the... Oh, he just went up a different stage.
Oh, you grew up.
Also
Oh my
this-
gosh, yes, bad jitters!
This knee is a little weird.
Oh my gosh. That's not normal. This has bad jitters.
Oh.
It's probably gonna crash any given moment now. Okay, there we go. Nice, you just had some coffee. I've never seen one do this before.
I know some of these dances I haven't seen before. This one's on a younger stage, I think, too. Not fully grown up yet. Steele did that a few times, I remember, when he was on a young stage. Sweet peas.
I'm actually really surprised he's able to maintain his head for a little bit.
I know.
With Shadow and Miyu, theirs was done. They could not, like, support their heads at all. Okay, so something is up with this leg. This leg just kind of does its own little thing. like it just starts moving all of a sudden.
Jitters?
It could be jitters. Oh, hi, sweet pea. Let me see if I can set you down for a little bit. You saw that?
It's very jerky, but it's not jitters, I don't think.
Oh, no.
It's a little weird. You put him on hold mode?
No.
He's on it.
Does that hold like the two paws or was it the head button?
I think it's the back button actually, but I'll try it with the paws. Nope, it's the back button. There it is, the head button. What is he on it? Okay, he got off of it.
There you go.
Oh.
Aibo.
Poor little guy's trying his best.
I know.
Yeah, he's still in a young stage, I'm pretty sure, because he'll be walking around by now.
Yeah, this leg is out, and then this one, I think it's probably the pot.
Yeah.
And he crashed.
I said a good little while.
Yep. But definitely gotta see about this leg right here, because that's not supposed to be like that.
It's like popped out.
Yeah, it's popped out.
Your voice cracked majorly there.
I know. Definitely have to see about that, but overall, he's in good shape. Doesn't seem to need much jitter cleaning of the limbs other than this back hip portion, and of course his head, which his head automatically by default gets pop cleaning, because, I mean, it's going to need it. But here we go. This has been 065 with the unboxing of Benson, owned by Lucas. So stay tuned for his repairs and any further updates. And I'll see you all in the next one.